Welcome to Hugh's Garage. Today I'm going to show you how to install a tailgate damper on a 2016 Ford F-150. It's fairly simple. Mine is an XL Sport, so mine did not come with one from the factory. So it sounds like this. So we're going to make that a lot better. I bought the OMT brand tailgate damper specific to my truck. I ordered it off of Amazon. You can get a regular stainless steel looking one or a black colored one. I went with the black just because my truck is all black. Just like it to match. Let's open this up. All right, once you got everything open, you'll see everything right here. We got a little protective sheet. We got the mounting plates, some thread locker, a bolt, obviously the dampening shock, and a little torque wrench. Additionally, you will need a 10mm socket or wrench, whichever you prefer. Another quick little heads up, you're also going to need a 5mm Allen bit or wrench for the bolt that's supplied with the kit. All right, with the tailgate down, you're going to go to the driver's side of your tailgate. Look down, you'll see two bolts right here. You're going to loosen this one. Don't take it out. You can take this one out, not this one. Then you're going to take your mounting plate and it slides over that one, and then with that one out, you're going to go all the way over. All right, with that right there and the bolt taken out, you're going to leave this bolt out. You're going to use the supplied bolt. Then you're going to use the Allen wrench. You're going to flip it over and start to screw in this. The reason it gives you this one to use instead of the factory one is because this one would obstruct that shock absorber. It's going to look like this when you're working on it, when you're about done. You're in good shape if this is where you're at. Now the bottom plate is installed. Now to move on to the top plate. With the supplied torque wrench, you're going to undo that. First, you need to lean up on your tailgate. Loosen the tension up on this. Pull this out. You can use your fingernails if you got them. If not, a flathead would work. And you just pop this out. Now this is a pretty good wrench they give you in the kit. This is a pretty tough bolt though. So you might need you a little leverage or something like that. Just be easy with it. Make sure that, you know, nothing crazy happens. Make sure you don't hit none of your paint or your tail light or anything. But eventually it'll come out. All right, now the top mount plate, you put the bolt through. Just put it right back in there. Make sure you get it tight. But you're gonna want it facing down. Okay, once you got it screwed back down and tight, make sure it's straight down. Put your tailgate strap back on. You're gonna take your tailgate damper, you're gonna push it into the bottom pin that's right here. Then you're gonna have to work it up. Maybe tilt your tailgate a little bit and push it into there. Takes a little bit, just work it, and then we'll try it out. And here is the finished product. If you're ever having trouble getting these on or off, there is a little tab right here on both ends, and you kind of pull that loose and it'll pop right out or pop right in. Mine didn't really give me much of a hassle, so I was able to kind of just push them in and make sure they clicked and were secure and they were good. And that is the finished product. All right, let's see this thing in action. Can't ask for much more than that. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.